So let's analyze question number 20. Consider the following statements in the respect of the sum S is equal to x plus y plus z, where x, y, z are distinct prime numbers, each less than 10. Very important keywords, distinct. It cannot be repetitive, there is no repetition. And prime numbers, again, less than 10. How many prime numbers are there less than 10? Starting with 2, 3, 5, and 7. So there are 4 prime numbers you could choose from. And S is nothing but sum of 3 prime numbers out of it. Okay. So X, Y, Z is nothing but out of this 4, I need to select 3. And all of them are distinct, right? So that's it. And the question is asking about there are 3 statements given. The unit digit of S can be 0, unit digit of S, the sum can be 9, or it can be 5. There are 3 statements, and which of the following statements given above are correct? So the best way to solve this question is you figure out what are the different combinations possible for S or the sum. So I know the sum is equal to sum of X plus Y plus Z, right? And X's, Y, Z are distinct prime numbers possible. So there are 4 prime numbers in our list. Out of this 4, I need to select 3 of them. So how many ways you could do it, or how many different combinations you could write down satisfying these conditions? Okay, let's start with that. Okay, let's start with one of the number is 2 and the other one is 3, then 5. This is one of the combination, 2, 3, 5. Other one is I'm keeping 2 the same. Other numbers could be 3 and 7, 2, 3, 7. This is next combination. And the other one is going to be I'm keeping 2, then 5 and 7. Yes, just try it out. What are the different combinations of, like, out of 4 you are selecting 3, that's it. And next is we are done with 2, and the other only option is I'm not taking 2, I'm taking all the other 3 prime numbers, that is 3, 5 and 7. That's it. So out of 4 I need to choose 3. If you remember the permutation combination, you could easily figure out what is 4C3, which is nothing but 1, 4. 4C3 is 4. There are 4 ways you could do it. So that is nothing but we have listed down that these are the 4 ways, 4 combinations possible. And what we need to do is you find out what is the sum for each particular case. Start with first one, which is nothing but you add them up, it's 10. Second one, you add them up, it's 12. Third one, it's 14. Then next one is 15. And each of the statements you need to analyze it, and they are talking about the unit digit. Okay, so you take the unit digit of the sum. It could be 0, it could be 2, 4, or 5. These are the possible unit digit. Okay, so statement 1 saying that the unit digit of S can be 0. Yes, this is true. In the first case, it is true. Second one is unit digit of S can be 9. No, it's not possible. None of these cases we cannot see there is no unit digit 9, right? You can say this is not correct. Statement 2, you can eliminate it. Third one, the unit digit of S can be 5. Yes, it is also possible. In the last case, it's possible. So 3 is also correct. So the question is asking which of the following statements above are correct. So I can say 1 and 3 are correct. So option C is the right answer for it. Option C is nothing but 1 and 3. Option C is the right answer for this particular question. So this is an easily doable question. You just need to figure out what are the different combinations possible out of 4 prime numbers. That's it. And you estimate what are the possible values of sum. You eliminate the answer choices accordingly.